Today it's the 26th of October 2022 and we have 11 terminal lines here.
Yeah.
No,
Yeah.
I said it was for the switch, but it's not, it's turning it on.
Yeah.
But this is on Kokkokalliontie. Kokkokalliontie 9 stack is cheap. Added later, but this is originally from the 1970s.
Yeah.
It's originally. But added probably in 2002 or 2003. The same price 1969G.
Yeah.
Best is 8 purses or 630 grams.
2004, I think, but we have to check it.
Yeah, 2003 or 4. 3 is the tallest. It's going to be inspected in the next year, 2023. I believe most likely added in 2003.
Yeah.
Or early 2004. It's also possible.
Yeah.
Maybe they did it at the same time when they renewed the stacks. And I can check the window. May 2005.
Oh, yeah.
Then this was added in early 2005. Most likely.
Yeah.
Because it is possible.
Mm.
Then these are also one of the last smarts.
Mm.
But the last apparently is from 2006, but I don't know where it was. But I haven't filmed it, but also one of the last ones.
Yeah.
And that arrangement for the button is special. But is it coming up somewhere?
Do you want the anti-road?
Yeah, it's because it's one of the last smarts.
Yeah.
That big, one of the last ones makes them a little bit more worth 2 rides.
Yeah. This instituutet made by Espoon hissi.
Because in 2006 they should have built a bit more of these, not that newer one.
Yeah.
It turned 15 years old in 2020. But this year could have been a bit more special, like
Yeah.
over the last year.
Yeah.
That's it.
That's